Up till now, you have only worked with individual views known as worksheets to analyze your data. But don't you think if we could see multiple views together, it would provide a more powerful analysis experience? Well, in this section, we will learn exactly that. In this video, I'm going to provide you with a walkthrough for the solution for assignment 4. Let's start by looking at the objectives. You needed to connect to the sample superstore data source and identify city with the highest orders. Then, you need to use a density chart to verify the above objective. And lastly, you need to identify the states with the highest and lowest profits. Let's start with the first two objectives. Let's connect to the sample superstore data source and identify city with the highest order. I've already connected to the sample superstore data source. You need to connect to the same. Then, let's select city and click on maps and select the symbol map. This might take some time to render. Now that the map has been successfully rendered, we need to find the city with the highest number of orders. To do that, you could simply use the number of records measure and drag it on size. Clearly, the bigger circles indicate higher number of orders as compared to the smaller circles. As you can see, we have 747 orders for California while 915 for New York. These are the only two bigger circles. Hence, we can conclude that New York City has the highest number of orders. The third objective is to use the density chart to verify the same. We could simply replicate the sheet by right-click and duplicate. Now, we need to change the mark type to density. Let's also try to make the colors a bit more informative. Here, we can clearly see the bright spots which indicate the highest number of orders. The last objective is to identify the states with the highest and the lowest profits. Let's select state and click on the show me and select the filled maps. Now to identify states with the highest and the lowest profits, let's use profit on colors. Clearly we can see that Texas has the lowest profit while California has the highest profit. Congratulations again on completing the assignment.